Ngake ngathintwa ibunu.
Hello everyone, Bresula Kulwambahle. So as you know, uZinxumalo is the girl uhlezi performer and uhlezi emuhle. So as you know ukuthi as intombazane enhle vele ke khona ama challenges ozowafacea. So uZinxumalo uzositshela ngako lokho ukuthi yini into asake abhekana nayo ngenkathi performer esake yamenzakalela ngenkathi performer. So ashone khona mawuthi uyaqala ukufela, make sure ukuthi ushiya usubscribe ukuze phela ungeke uzophuthele ama-video afana nalawo. Ashone khona ngingamoshi isikhathi because uyangazi angithandi ukumoshela isikhathi sakho. So ke ashone khona ke.
Oh my gosh, so gazelle Enzi, you're so shy. It was a busy night, eh?
Kuba njalo makumnandi.
I see. Which artist are you close to, like currently, or celebrity?
Celebrity.
Which artist are you very close to? And whichever artist it is, please talk like them for just 10 seconds, or say something they always say.
Well, we are here for Tukzin, so dlala Tukzin.
Say something Tukzin always says, nje.
Tukzin is too funny. Khona manje uqeda uthi mina ngigqoke leather yePuma. Is that even possible? It's like I will ugqoke leather yePuma. It's very funny.
Okay. Which song do you sing in the shower? Like, what's that one song you always sing in the shower?
I'm forever singing my EP, Izinja Zami. And my favorite song on the EP is Gane yami goqa 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 ngedolo.
What can we expect from you throughout the year? Because I saw you recently dropped an EP, #1. It's crazy. What else can we expect from you this year? Shows, anything?
With Zinxumalo, we are going outside. Afro Nation. I so wish benkhona ku Durban July, but unfortunately, for the first time ever, I'm not going to be in the country for Durban July. I'm going to be at Afro Nation, and I'm hoping for more international gigs because kurai too cool. You know, we can't keep on doing the same thing over. So we must keep on reinventing ourselves.
All right. What's the craziest thing you've seen in the crowd while you're performing?
Ngake ngashaywa ngebhodlela. Ngake ngathintwa ibunu. Ngake ngaphiwa imali eningi.
Like 10K or 5K?
Even more than that. No, generally, I swear to God. Yes. But the craziest one is...
Should give you money once.
Everyone gives me money. You can give me money now if you want to. How much do you have?
Come on, that's for students.
NSFAS, but hola mali ma NSFAS.
1.7.
Yes, maybe 1.7. 7,000. Give me 7,000.
No, ngicela Tukzin, vele pete yakhe.
Akaphani loyo ngeke. Akaphani lutho loyo. Kodwa nje kodwa kakhulu.
Nje usiphe iphathi, shaya ibhadi lapho.
Uzogcina ngamaphathi.
Okay everyone, sivala la i-video namhlanje sibe unqi. I really hope you enjoyed the video namhlanje. If you did, make sure to smash the like button, uphinde smash the subscribe button, and also comment down below wena umbono wakho ngalolu daba lakhe ke uZinxumalo. But mina ke umsebenzi wami sengiqedile, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.